Hi,
Hi,
Lee. How are
how are
you?
you? Hi, how are
Can you
you?
hear me?
Yeah,
All
I
right.
can hear you. Can you hear me?
Yeah. Yeah. I can hear you.
Yeah.
So nice meeting you. And unfortunately, I couldn't make it. I had to go to employer networking event last Wednesday when you had the information session. And sorry about your technical glitch. You weren't able to do your elevator pitch you mentioned to Ines, right?
Yes.
Yeah.
Yeah. Sorry for about the technical issue. So
Okay.
yeah.
Um, Maybe I'll switch to my headphone for just a
Yes.
second because I'm in the office.
Sure.
I forgot to put it in. So yeah, you have extensive background in your field. Wow, and PhD. Do you mind if I ask like the your email
Yeah.
is different the one you used for us compared to the one you submitted your application, right?
Yes. Yeah.
Yeah. Uh, too little white.
Oh yeah. It's my
Uh,
nickname.
sorry,
It's my
can you hear
nickname.
me?
Yes,
Okay,
I can hear
okay.
you.
Your nickname. Okay,
Yeah.
yeah. Um, yeah, so interesting. It can be interpreted different ways. uh, little white folks. But anyway, it's a nice thing. So you got it while you were in Taiwan, right? They
Yes.
give you that? Yeah, okay, okay.
Yeah.
So and then your English name is Patty,
Oh.
right?
Oh, my English name is Patty.
Patty. Okay, okay,
Yes.
okay. Great. Another nickname, right? Okay.
You can say that. Yeah.
Okay. So bear with me. I mean, I will be asking you questions as well as also putting it into our database while we do the TEMS assessment. And I'll also go over your resume quickly
Yes.
and then ask you one interview question. And you have to answer using the STAR technique you're familiar with, right?
Yes. Sure.
Okay, great. So I will start by asking you that you are looking for a job. Um, you're searching for a job, looking for work, right?
Yes.
Okay. And yeah, you're looking for full time or part time?
Oh, I'm looking for a full-time job. Yeah.
Yeah, over 30 hours. Okay.
Yes.
And then your salary expectations, is it between
Um.
25 to 35 or above 35?
Yeah. Uh. Actually, I want to find the job like business development or project management. Project management. I think the salary is higher, about uh, 90, 90,
Mhm.
90 to 10
Okay.
to yeah 90,000
Okay.
a year.
So,
I
so you
think
want me to pick 35 over $35 an hour?
yes. Yes, but actually, I mean, I think my English is not where right now. So maybe I need to modify my expectation. Yeah, maybe
Okay.
I need to find a. I mean, I need
Between
to.
25 and 35 as well, would you consider that?
Yes.
Okay,
Yeah.
okay, I'll put
Yeah.
that in the system. But
Yeah.
but I'm sure you are worth over 35, over 90,000 a year anyway.
Yeah.
So
Yeah.
given your extensive background in the field as well as PhD and that, okay.
Yeah.
And what kind of job titles are you looking for?
Uh, Yeah.
Give me five.
Okay. So you want me to talk about what job I want to find?
Yeah, job
Yeah, yeah,
title.
yeah, yeah. Um, actually, I email you the job position I'm looking at. It's a project management in the Canadian Cancer Society. I
Okay, okay.
yeah
So what one job title could be project manager, and
yeah
what are the
yeah
others?
yeah yeah.
I need four more.
Uh, Program.
Program manager.
Yeah, program manager. Yeah, yeah. And you can see my resume. I have a PhD degree in molecular biology and over 10 years experience in business development and project management and R&D strategy. So my ultimate goal is to return to a professional and strategy role within the life science or medical device industry here in Canada.
Okay,
Yeah,
okay.
but now, but yeah, I mean, I know my English isn't perfect right now. So in my past role, like a business development, require a
Mm-hmm.
lot of client facing work and heavy
Mm-hmm.
speaking. So
Okay.
yeah,
So business development, another title, business
oh,
development advisor.
uh, sorry, you can say that again.
Uh, are you saying business
Yeah,
uh,
business
development
development. Business
advisor?
development. Yeah, yeah,
Okay, we have three of them: project manager, program manager, business development advisor. I need
yeah.
two more,
And
two
the
more titles.
R&D, R&D strategy role. Yeah, and
Okay, we need
and
a fifth one.
sorry.
With fifth job title, number five.
Yes,
I need one more. Okay.
title. You mean
Yeah.
uh uh like uh, a business development in medical device.
Okay.
Your management.
Okay. I already put project management and business development manager and program manager and
Yes,
research and development strategy role.
yes.
Um, or should we, the fifth one, what title would you like?
Maybe I need to find another job. It's uh, um, I mean like a medical device regulatory reviewer.
Medical strategy reviewer. Okay.
Regulatory reviewer. Regulatory reviewer. Yeah, because I think uh, it's need a lot of technical writing skill. So maybe it's less about constant talking with my
Yeah.
client. Because I think my English is not perfect right now, so maybe I need
Mhm.
to shift another focus,
Mhm.
like a reviewer. It's always to look at the technical document. I think
Okay.
maybe it's easier for me right
Yeah.
now. Yeah. Or some commercial data analyze analyze it. Uh,
Okay. Analysis. Okay. Good.
yeah, yeah, yeah.
Um,
Yeah, it wasn't perfect to fit my
So,
background.
okay. And the agencies you want to apply to are Canadian Cancer Society. You already applied, right?
Yeah, yeah,
Um,
but no any
um,
response.
yeah, but I mean, now that you'll be joining us, once you get assessed and you get into the program, you can be endorsed as well. We work with Canadian Cancer Society. We send them endorsements too. That will give you visibility. Okay.
Yeah, okay.
Okay. Um, okay. So I'll put Canadian Cancer Society employers you want to work with are, for example, Canadian Cancer Society, and can you give me others too? Uh,
Oh,
I,
oh, sure.
I put Canadian
Yeah,
Cancer
yeah, yeah.
Society, but I need four more.
Yeah, yeah. Maybe other medical device company like Thermo Fisher. Thermo Fisher.
Uh, Thermo Fisher. Okay.
Yeah, and Arbet.
Okay. Yeah. Okay. How about okay. Okay. And I need two more.
Arbet. ABBOTT.
No, no.
Yeah.
Yeah, I already put that.
Okay.
I put already. I need two more. I said because I already put Canadian Cancer Society, Thermo Fisher, and
Abbott.
Abbott.
Oh
Yeah.
yeah. Maybe DNA Genotech. It's a
What did you
DNA
say?
DNA Genotech. Can put in the chat
Charles. Okay.
yet. It's a small medical device company in Ottawa.
Okay.
Only in Ottawa, yeah. But like Thermo Fisher Arbet is an international company.
Yeah,
But
yeah.
yeah, but I
We have worked with Thermo Fisher. We can endorse people to Thermo Fisher.
oh yeah.
Um, okay. That makes it four. Um, I need one more.
Like GE.
Uh,
GE.
GE, huh?
Yes.
Like, oh, General Electric?
Yes. It's okay.
Oh,
Yeah.
they have health stuff?
Yes.
Okay. There was a typo. Our
Oh
title
yeah.
was
And
EMS, but it's supposed to be TEMS, TEMS. Okay.
and like Boston Scientific.
Okay. Yeah, I already put that.
Yeah.
I already had the Genotech correct
Oh
spelling
really?
before we shared as well. Okay,
Oh.
so what next? Oh, you didn't get a chance to do your elevator pitch. Can you do that?
Uh. Yeah. Sure. I can talk about a short elevator pitch. Yeah. Yeah. Okay. Uh. Hi. Uh. Uh. Good to see you. Yeah. I just give you a brief introduction about me. Yeah. Mm, I have a PhD degree in molecular biology in Taiwan, and I have over 10 years experience in business development for medical device. My good background is a mix of science and business. Yeah, and now I moved to Canada. I really want to find the job like medical and biotechnology sector, and my core expertise lying heavy in business development and project management and R&D strategy. My ultimate goal is to return to a professional strategy role within the life science or medical device industry here in Canada. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, that's my future goal right now. Yeah.
Great.
Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah.
So
Just a second. I was just typing as well.
yes.
Okay. What are your technical skills? So I have things to click from the drop down, choose. So some of them might not be relevant to you. Bookkeeping software, QuickBooks is not relevant. C++, you're not into IT, right? CAD software is not applying to you. How about client management system, CRM? Are you okay with that?
Yeah. I think
Okay,
I
client
can.
CRM, client management
Yeah.
systems, you have that
Yes.
technical skill. How about content management system, CMS?
DMS. Yeah. I'm uh a little. Yeah. The skill I have a little, but not familiar with this system.
Okay. Customer relationship, you have experience
Yeah.
in
Yeah.
that,
Yeah.
right? Yeah. And electronic medical record software.
Yes. It's my previous company.
Okay. Okay. Um, did we say electronic? You have electronic medical record software background?
No.
Did you say yes?
Can you say again?
Uh, electronic medical record software.
No.
Okay.
I'm not familiar with this.
Enterprise resource planning systems, ERP systems.
Mm, no.
No.
No. No.
Okay. Experience in using databases.
A little. Maybe a little.
Okay. Okay. Java, JavaScript, those IT folks, right? Okay.
No, no,
No.
I can
Yeah, logistics management software.
a little. It's a little.
Okay. MS Technologies, MS Word, PowerPoint, Excel, you have that, right? I'll click
Yeah,
on that.
yeah.
Okay. Network, IT infrastructure, and security, not your area,
No,
right?
nah.
Okay.
Yes.
PHP, I think it's also IT.
Yeah, it's
Point,
IT.
point of sale software. So
No,
if you're
no,
into
yeah,
scientific cells, no. Okay.
no.
Programming.
I think I can't.
Okay.
Yeah,
But you have project management. So I'll click
yes,
on project management.
yes,
Python, another IT stuff.
Yes.
No. SAP? No. Okay.
No.
Do you use social media like blogging, using Facebook,
Yeah,
LinkedIn,
yeah, yeah, sure.
Twitter, X? Yeah, Outlook,
Yes.
that. Okay. And WordPress is for people who are like into web design and stuff. It's not doesn't apply to you, right? WordPress. Okay.
Yes.
Okay. And what are your transferable skills?
Oh, trouble. Oh, can you say again?
Transferable skills.
Transferable? I don't know. What is this? You mean?
When you did your elevator pitch, you mentioned your main core skills, right? Is there any other skills that could be transferable to any job?
Mm, I think I don't have this one.
Okay.
Yeah.
Like customer service,
Yeah.
people skills, soft skills,
Yeah.
right? Yeah, yeah,
Especially in this one.
okay. Yeah, I mean, you have so many soft skills because of the business development aspect,
Yeah.
right?
Yeah.
Okay, so next we'll look at your resume and things like that. Okay, and
Yes.
your resume is very good. Some of the feedback I'll give you is in terms of do you have a problem with the camera?
Oh, no. Oh,
Okay.
can open.
Your resume looks great. It's just that first you didn't put your LinkedIn.
Oh yeah, because when that time I just to developer to complete my profile because
Okay, okay.
in my
Did you
hometown.
complete it now?
Yes, yes. Maybe 80% complete because in
Okay,
my hometown I don't use the LinkedIn before
okay.
because I have a work, so I not to use the LinkedIn to my social media or uh, social networking tool, but I
Yeah.
think it's very important in Canada to find a job. So I try to write down completely. Uh, but now I just finished the 80%.
Okay. Yeah,
To yeah,
it's critical. Like networking.
yes,
Most of my clients who found job quickly are the ones who have been networking a lot. It's not what you know, your over 10-year expertise in your field and PhD. Uh, won't automatically get you a job right away, you need to, it's not what you know, it's not only who knows you, but how well do they know you. For
yeah,
that, you have to be active at least 2 3 times. Try to post on LinkedIn so people see your views, your opinion on things, or attend events as well in microbiology, biotechnology, in your field. I'm not sure if you're connected with if you signed up for Eventbrite. Eventbrite, have you?
no, no. I just I think I need to use the LinkedIn often because I know that many people use LinkedIn to connect with the expertise or do some information interview from the LinkedIn. So yeah, I think and I know um, mm, faster way to do the networking. Yeah, yeah, but I'm not use this very well because I don't
Mhm.
have experience to use the LinkedIn to do my the social
Yeah,
networking. Yeah.
Eventbrite is not LinkedIn. It is. It
Oh,
just like it sends you um, ev- events. Depending on your profile, like you'll get events, whether it's social or microbiological society events and things like that. And then you can go to those meetings and network, in person, as well as also get their LinkedIn connection, and
yes,
expand, enhance your network,
yes,
um, and the good thing about networking is that sometimes if you build a good relation through the coffee, like online chat or whatever, or in person, then they will even let you know. You'll get a lot of inside information about job opportunities, or even you'll hear about jobs that haven't been even posted publicly. So yeah, I mean, it's critical that you finish. Who's your employment counselor? Who's your employment specialist?
spatial. You mean?
After the job search workshop, who was assigned to meet with you one on one?
Oh, Davy.
David. Okay,
Yes.
continue with David. He will help you with your LinkedIn profile as well, and also when you get jobs to apply for, you can ask him for feedback on your cover letter and resume. Okay. And if you're invited for interview, he can coach you. But if he's not available, sometimes I can also be a backup.
Yes.
Finalize your action plan as well with him. And yeah, I mean, in addition to putting your LinkedIn on your resume, you need to also quantify your accomplishments.
Yes.
Um, I mean, you brought about all kinds of stakeholder engagement, cross sector alignment, and were there any um, efficiencies that were brought about because of your strategic program and healthcare lead at the electronics company in Taiwan? Those kind of things. Numbers. Of your quantifiable accomplishment you achieved kind of make you stand out, because for every job there will be hundreds of other applicants, and you have to show the value that you can bring, cost savings, um, less absenteeism because of the healthcare need, you know, revenue, if there was improvement, um, more efficiencies you brought about, how, what percentage, and how many stakeholder engagements you had, things like that.
Yes.
Um, yeah, I don't see a lot of numbers, and you need to put that. Okay.
Yes. Yes. Yeah. Yeah. And I have another question. I'm not sure how will we be working together or going forward with the
Yeah,
TEMS.
I'll also, yeah, yeah, TEMS program. Like, I also have to do your. I will ask you one question. I'm going to ask you now. And then if you are ready, then we'll go ahead with supporting, meaning your employment specialist will help you with, counseling for job search, and give you feedback on your targeted resume and cover letter and things like that. And on my side, I'll explain to you what I'll be doing. Um, so um, let's go back and I'll ask you Okay. I'll ask you one question and you have to answer through the STAR technique. Can you give me an example when you had to problem solve? You were facing a problem at your agency and you had to solve it through your initiative, no?
Yeah. For my experience, I remember we need to deliver a medical device uh, to the client for a few times, but but the R&D team can't deliver on time. So what we do
Sorry,
is
sorry, I lost you for a bit. So can you repeat what you said? I
oh
lost connection.
okay, okay. I mean
Problem solving example I asked
yeah,
you.
yeah,
Yeah.
yeah. I think problem solving the skill is the most important. You need to understand the client's need. Yeah, because you know their need. You can think about how to help them. Yeah, like my previous experience, the client maybe want the medical device on time to deliver, but the development process have many issue like R&D cannot do this on time. So what I can do is to understand the schedule. I need to communicate with many teams like R&D. You need to know what issue why they delay, and another important thing is to understand the client's need. You need to know their wants and what schedule is there want our team to deliver. So I think the most important thing is to 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 do the good communication with many team, especially for your special to the client. Yeah.
Um, you know what STAR method of responding to interview questions? You know that. You went through the workshop, right? Job search workshop, right?
Yes.
Did you did you attend the job search workshop for 5 days, 5 mornings?
5 morning.
Yeah,
You mean workshop?
yeah,
Uh, you mean the Davies workshop? Or what
yeah.
workshop?
Okay, yeah. Actually, 4 days. Sorry, you
Oh,
didn't go
4 days.
to job
Yeah.
search workshop. You went to the um, career access for newcomers, right? Can okay. You went for a different one, not jobs. Another one. It's only 4 days. Okay, yours.
Yes.
It's not the
Yes.
other
Just
one. Okay, not
yeah, yeah,
jobs.
yeah.
Okay.
Just
Okay.
four days. Yeah.
Did you did you have any session on STAR technique of responding to questions?
No.
Situation, task,
You mean
action,
is
and result. You talk about that when you respond to an interview question.
yeah, I know what you say. It's a STAR.
Yeah, STAR.
Yeah, star. Yeah. Maybe David told this before. Yeah, I know a star.
STAR method. Okay.
Yeah.
So what I'm saying is, like in your case, you're talking about the situation and task how should be done,
Yeah.
but you didn't tell me the action you took and the result that came about. And in the STAR method of responding to questions, you have to focus over 50% of your time should be about the action you took, and also the result, impact.
Yes.
But
Um,
you're
yes.
you're telling me what should be done, you know?
Yeah. Yes.
You have to understand the need of the client, meet their need and things like that. But you didn't tell me what you did.
Yes.
The most important part of the STAR method of responding to questions is, you have to talk about the situation or the context and the task that you had to tackle, that you had
Yes.
to do.
Yes.
But you have to also spend over 50% of the time talking about the action you took and the
Yes.
results that came about. It's that's how you can stand out. It's critical in Canada.
Yeah. Yeah. Maybe I need to practice and
And
practice.
I didn't
Yeah.
ask you about teamwork and how things should be done in a team, or what were the tasks and things like that, and how it should be done. What I was asking you is, give me an example
Yes.
when you came up with a good problem solving
Yes.
uh, for your company.
Yeah. Yeah.
Can you give me an example and focus on the action and the result you brought that
Okay.
came about?
Maybe I can try again.
Yeah.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. I mean, in my previous role, I'm trying to launch a new molecular diagnostic device into a highly competitive market. Yeah, and um, our I mean, it's very competitive because we have many strong established competitors in our diagnostic market. Yeah, and I'm the lead for the marketing strategy. So my task was to identify a new growth channel, and I need to secure the strategy partnership with my key clinical lab and uh, some sales train within 6 months. Yeah, so I need to utilize my scientific background to redesign our value proposition and transition
Redesign what?
redesign our value proposition and some
Okay.
yeah and to translate the complex biological data into a clear clinical and 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 uh, and to benefit our stakeholder. So I also
Mhm.
lead a cross-functional team to streamline our regulatory and onboarding company process. Some new B2B client because my client our company only do the B2B business model. So I always need to focus and fast to uh, business client. Yeah. So as a result, we successfully secure three major institution contract and increase our market share by 25% within 2 quarters. Yeah, and this shortened the client onboarding cycle by 30%. So I think it's a good example to to for me to help my client to client their the 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 markets on market cycle. yeah. So I think it's a best way to show my problem solving skill. Yeah,
Okay,
yeah,
that's great. But it took a long time for you to come to tell me about the 25%
yeah,
market share increase in 2 quarters. That's a great accomplishment. There
yeah.
was also another number you gave me, 30%. Those things has to be also in your application, in your resume too, okay?
Yes, yes. So
You have to talk, and also one other thing I'll add is like earlier you talked about you were the lead, but
yeah,
at the end when you talked about the 25% increase, you didn't mention with my leadership. So there is our culture. We are from abroad and newcomers. I used to be newcomer too. We say we. There also you have to be careful. If I ask you a question, interview question about teamwork, talk about we. I did this and all that. We did together. But when it comes to you, what what's your example for problem solving? Then you have to promote yourself and
yes,
say at the end in the result too, with my leadership, the market share increased by 25% in two quarters, things like that. Okay.
yes,
So yeah, finally, I think you need a bit more practice with the
yes,
STAR method of answering. And also it's critical that you have to always be confident. Your English is good. Don't shy away, don't be afraid. And also don't try to be explaining all the time about the situation and the context, because then they only have 40-50 minutes for the panel interview. You won't have a chance to promote yourself in terms of talking about the results and the actions you took and the results impact you brought about. Okay.
yes, yeah,
Okay.
yeah,
So, I mean, you need support. You could also use AI. Um, you know, do you use ChatGPT? Which
yes,
which AI do you use?
yeah. Chat GPT and Gemini.
Gemini. Okay.
Yeah, I
They
use
say
both.
Gemini is good for research. And ChatGPT for the grinding work, nuts and bolts,
Yeah.
but also you can use what is it? Cloud AI, CLAUDE.
Oh yeah.
Okay,
Yes.
that's good for strategy.
Oh,
And
okay.
also, when I helped clients for their presentation, business advising role or other jobs, when they after the interview panel interview with a group of interviewers, they had to do presentation. I think the cloud AI power presentation was better than the ChatGPT one. For some things I use cloud, for some things I use ChatGPT. So you mix it up, okay, and keep on practicing. And also your English is great, but it can also be improved by with your family and friends talk English as much as possible rather than, you know, is it Mandarin you guys talk? You use Mandarin or
Yeah, yeah.
Cantonese?
I
Okay,
use
yeah,
Mandarin. Yeah,
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 but try to talk more in English with your folks as well. Okay,
yeah,
as
yeah.
much as possible. Okay, and I will be your recruitment specialist. You'll join the program. Welcome aboard. And as I said, for job applications, feedback, you go to David. And then later on, you submit your application that you applied, for example, with Cancer Society. If there's a job now and you apply to it, you send me the final job you submitted on the career portal.
Yes,
Um, Share it with me. I'll include it with my endorsement with if the employer is our partner, like Canadian Cancer Society. Okay, and that will give you a bit more visibility, hopefully,
yes.
and I'll be sending you job postings every week.
Okay.
Um, and also, if there are events, we also share events. Myself and my other colleagues that are good for our clients, we invite them. Could be targeted recruitment event or other information sessions. Okay, and we also have a job fair in the fall, a big one, annual job fair. You'll be invited to that as well. Okay, and
Yes.
keep on trying to get informational interview with people in microbiology, business development, or working with medical devices and strategy or things like that as well, and get informational interview. We also help you. I mean, if we have connection, the ones we have connection with, and connect with me through LinkedIn as well, because sometimes I repost jobs that I see that are good for clients, So, and through connecting with all staff from all skills, you are able to connect easily with other people who are connected with us too through LinkedIn. Okay.
Yes. Yes.
Okay. Do you have any questions? But
So,
we have to be committed though, like you heard in the information session, 3 months are critical. Uh, After 3 months, up to a year also, we can support you. But the intensive support is mainly the 3 months. And you
oh,
have to communicate with me regularly, and keep me in the loop, okay,
yes.
about your job search.
Okay. Yeah. Yeah.
Any questions?
Um. Uh, uh, no, because I ever asked her David the same question. I asked her him if I go to do the volunteer or do the some opportunity to the retirement or something to because I want to immersion environment to speaking English. But David told me I need to focus on the job searching, especially in my field, because they think go to the retirement environment, maybe I can't do the good conversation with the elder person.
Yeah, yeah, yeah,
Yeah, I
yeah.
mean, yeah,
Yeah, I mean, volunteer jobs are listed on in Volunteer Ottawa and Charity Village. Do you have job alerts with all of them? Probably have LinkedIn job alert, Indeed, Glassdoor, but also iluta.ca. I put it in the chat. Iluta.ca. Get job alert from them too, and sign up for job alerts. And Charity Village has volunteer jobs as well as paid jobs, and they have, um, you can check, and be strategic. Don't just volunteer with the food bank or retirement home. You have to be strategic, like volunteer with, microbiological society or association society, things like that. And that way you can enhance your job search, will benefit from it too. Okay.
yeah, yeah. So
Okay. So, anything else?
oh no, you mean if I want to be a volunteer, I need to find a similar for my
As much as possible, yes,
yeah, yeah,
similar.
yeah.
Yeah,
Okay.
yeah. I mean, don't spend too much time like with a retirement home and things like that.
Yeah, yeah. So
Because you there's opportunity cost. You lose time from your job search and
yeah,
networking in your
yeah,
field.
yeah,
So that's the advice I give you. It has been good to talk to you,
yeah.
and
Sure.
every week we send job postings. I'll send it to you as well. Okay.
Yeah. So if I want to continue with talking with you, it's I mean I can email to you and book a follow up.
Yeah, we can have follow up, but mainly my task is helping you with being more visible with the employers, and which means endorsing your applications and get your feedback on your targeted resume cover letter from David, and then after that you apply. I mean, on occasion, if he's not available, then I can also give you feedback, but he's the main employment specialist counselor who will help you with that. And yeah, I mean, yeah, you can follow up with me as well and keep me be in constant communication as well about how your job search is going on, and we'll support you. Okay.
Okay. Okay. Thank you.
Okay. Take care.
Yeah. Thank
Bye.
you. Thank you so much for your time.
No problem.
Yeah.
No problem. Bye.
Yeah.
Bye.
We'll keep going. Yeah. Yeah. Bye.